The dream of an Apple Ring has been the ultimate just one more thing for tech enthusiasts for years, but the cold hard reality is that this highly anticipated project might be completely dead on arrival. While the internet is flooded with gorgeous concepts, viral mock-ups, and endless hype, the most credible signals from inside the supply chain suggest that Apple has officially hit the brakes on its finger-worn wearable. If you have been holding off on buying a smart ring because you are waiting for that iconic Apple logo to change your health tracking game, you are likely waiting for a ghost that is not coming to save your metrics anytime soon. The loudest alarm bell comes from a major report published by Bloomberg, PNG, featuring insights from Mark Gurman, PNG. Mark Gurman is a reporter with an almost perfect track record for predicting Apple's internal roadmaps, and his latest update confirms that Apple is not actively developing a ring and has zero plans to ship one to the market. This isn't just a minor technical delay or a temporary strategic pause. It is a fundamental executive decision based on the fact that an Apple Ring would effectively be a dagger in the heart of the Apple Watch category. Apple spends billions making the Apple Watch the gold standard for fitness, heart health, and daily safety, so they have very little incentive to release a cheaper, smaller device that does the exact same thing and steals their own wrist-wearable customers. This crucial business logic is the primary reason why we aren't seeing the usual pre-launch chaos across major tech outlets like 9 to 5 Mac, PNG, Mac Rumors, PNG, and Apple Insider, PNG, which usually report on factory orders or component leaks right before a real hardware drop. The entire history of the Apple Ring has been a wild roller coaster of patents and rumors rather than concrete production updates. Tech history archives show that around 2020, early concepts surfaced regarding a ring that could control other devices through basic hand gestures. The original vision back then wasn't even about tracking your sleep or steps. It was about using your finger to tap or swipe the air to control a Mac or an Apple TV, turning your hand into an invisible remote control. Platforms like Macworld, PNG have heavily discussed these control concepts over the years, but tech patents are often just a tactical way to keep competitors out rather than a strict promise to the consumer. For every revolutionary product Apple actually releases, there are 1,000 hidden patents gathering dust in a digital vault. In early 2024, when Samsung officially entered the Ring market with its own device, everyone assumed Apple would be forced to react immediately to stay competitive, but Apple historically refuses to play a reactive game unless they can offer something significantly better than the competition. They even sent out official user surveys to watch owners asking about smart rings, which gave fans a temporary surge of hope. But in the world of big tech, a survey is often just a tool to confirm that a niche market is too small to bother with. If you look closely at the technical hurdles, the situation gets even more difficult because a tiny ring has almost no physical space for a reliable battery or complex biometric sensors. To make an Apple-quality ring, engineers would have to sacrifice the very features that make the Apple Watch so indispensable, like a bright screen and real-time haptic notifications. Furthermore, standard pricing analysis from sites like iGatoffer, PNG suggests that Apple's typical margin strategy would likely place a first-generation ring at a premium cost of around $400. That steep entry price doesn't even account for the potential of a recurring monthly subscription fee, which has become a standard yet highly criticized feature across the smart ring industry. Apple knows that their users expect core health metrics to be included completely free in the companion health app, and adding a mandatory fee for basic tracking would lead to an immediate customer backlash. Even with a minor late countersignal from an independent source like Apple Leaker, JPG suggesting that some form of ring development is quietly continuing behind closed doors, it feels like background noise compared to the heavy evidence pointing the other way. Tech analysts like Aaron, JPG, who monitor software code strings and asset files, have not found the deep integration markers that usually pop up before a new ecosystem device launches. The most reasonable explanation is that Apple may keep prototypes and experimental research alive for years, which occasionally gets picked up by regional outlets like Makadakara, PNG, but tracking an active path to a consumer launch is a completely different story. If Apple ever does pivot back to this finger-wearable idea in the distant future, it won't be marketed as a replacement for your watch. It will be an expensive, premium accessory designed specifically for frictionless sleep tracking or as an ultra-precise gesture controller for the Vision Pro headset. Right now, the smartest move for any practical tech buyer is to stop waiting for a miracle from Cupertino and look at the excellent options that are actually sitting on store shelves today. Brands like Samsung and Oura have already spent years figuring out the complex balance of ring comfort, sizing kits, and multi-day battery life, making them the real owners of this product category for the foreseeable future. My honest opinion on this product category is that an independent Apple Smart Ring simply does not make sense for the company's current lineup, because it completely duplicates what the Apple Watch already does beautifully. Unless Apple can engineer a ring that acts as a seamless, battery-boosting companion to the watch rather than trying to replace it, shutting down the project is the most logical business move they could make. If you want a great smart ring today, buy what is available now instead of pinning your hopes on a project that Apple has left on the cutting room floor. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another deep dive into the fast-moving tech world.